In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Asus Vivobook WiFi not showing or working. First, you need an Asus Vivobook laptop with Windows updated. Then, make sure the Wi-Fi drivers from Asus or Intel are installed. Have a stable internet source to test connectivity. You should also have basic knowledge of Windows network settings. To fix Wi-Fi issues, restart your Vivobook and check if Wi-Fi reappears. Then, press Fn plus F2 or the Wi-Fi key to enable the wireless adapter. Open Device Manager, then go to Network Adapters and update Wi-Fi drivers. Next, run Network Troubleshooter from Windows settings to detect problems. Now, ensure airplane mode is off and the hardware Wi-Fi switch is enabled. Then, download drivers directly from Asus support if the Device Manager update fails. Reset network settings if Wi-Fi networks still don't show up. If the Wi-Fi card is faulty, consider repair or using a USB Wi-Fi adapter. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.